I'm making what I call a lemon dream cookie. They're super lemony and bright, almost like a shortbread. They melt in your mouth. This is a recipe that I actually learned from a friend who's from Sweden, and she used to make these at Christmas all the time. And I love them because I didn't understand what she meant when she always called them a dream cookie, and then I ate them and I got it.
And they're like a sweet dream.
So butter and sugar in your food processor. You've already buttered it up. Let it get nice and fluffy. And then I'm gonna turn it on. Is it locked?
On this
yes,
side, babe. Yep.
Thank you. And I'm gonna pour in some oil and some lemon juice and lots
of lemon zest.
Ooh, fresh essential oils in here. This is two tablespoons of it.
Yeah, they smell great.
Then I have a little bit of salt, just a half teaspoon. What is this now?
A teaspoon. Of baking powder.
Baking powder, and I'm gonna give that a little bit of a stir, and then I'm going to slowly add this in.
So simple, you just throw it all in
That's
there.
That's it. That's a cookie. I mean, that's how you make cookies, is, you know, as long as you kind of do the butter and sugar first, there you go, this is done. And then they come together, the dough is super easy.
And then there's some here, right?
Some here, exactly. We're just gonna spoon them out. I mean, they have a very similar texture to yours,
Same thing,
Maria.
just throw them on some parchment.
Throw them on, and then while you bake them at 300, about 20 minutes, make a little honey lemon glaze. So I have some honey, I have some confectioner's sugar, a cup of confectioner's sugar, and then a little tablespoon of milk.
Just to get it going.
That's right, 2 teaspoons lemon juice. You whisk it all together. I need my spatula back if you don't mind.
Sure, babe.
Thank you very much. And it should just come together like a beautiful glaze, right like that. Drizzle it over.
You drizzle or spread, or what do you do?
Drizzle just about a teaspoon, and then you can spread it very gently. If it's thick, there you go. Spread it with the back of the spoon. And I like to go, perfect.
Is that all right?
That's gorgeous.
I'm trying. And
then I like to finish with just a little bit of lemon zest on top for that extra bite. And they're so festive, and lemons are, you know, perfect winter citrus.